Alright mate, ICX and lit here. Now, as you know, lit, the first target for lit is the red 200 moving average. Now if this breaks out into a real apex, well then you can probably start having targets of up around here at $13 or so. Can this run? Can it break out? It's very possible. You know, overall I do like this coin. Don't know anything about it. I like the setup. I like the fact that we're breaking kind of major structure, depending on where you put it. But you know, there's obviously massive. I suppose we could draw it right there. I mean, the scene of the crime is right there. But the problem is, well, not the problem. The beauty of it is, you know, the scene of the crime right here, major resistance, is very easily achievable to get above this. And from here we can get this and we can run to $14, $15. So I'm a big fan of this coin. I think lit has very good potential to run. I always say do not fight this apex. Of course, the short-term target is the red 200 moving average, and we are pushing up into that now. ACX here, yeah, extremely choppy. A lot of times when you get this chop, what you want to see is you want to see a dip down before the real move. You don't always get it, but that's the way I like to play it. It gives you the safer entry. I've set an alarm here. I would be buying ICX if we got a stop onto this level. For example, well, this didn't come down and stop on, but you can see we got the dip. It gave a higher low actually in this circumstances because the dip was very low here. Here it's a tighter range, and I think there's more possibility to get a stop hunt of that range. If we get to see here, we got the stop hunt here, tight. Well, it's not the same, but we got the range, and then you get a stop hunt of this low, and then the real move. Here you get the choppy range, you get a stop hunt right here of the range, and then you get the real move. Here I suppose you got all this consolidation. Price came down, stop hunted below this low, and then you get the real move. So that's what I would like on this. I don't like buying into this chop. I like the market to give me these safe entries.